Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together a super yummy and easy to prepare energy bar, oat energy bar that is naturally nut-free, gluten-free, and of course dairy-free. The recipe is so simple that my oldest one usually helps me preparing the oat bars, also because they are his favorite after-school snack when he comes back home or to take to school. I would suggest this recipe for toddlers starting from 12 months of age simply because I'm using added sugar, maple syrup, super healthy added sugar, still added sugar. The procedure is very simple, as I mentioned. We are going to take a nice large bowl and we are starting adding all the dry ingredients from the old-fashioned oats, the rice cereals, unsweetened is very important, and the oat flour. If you do not have at home the oat flour, it's super easy to prepare. Simply take some old-fashioned oats, place them in a blender, and blend up until you will have obtained a flour consistency. That's so simple. Let's keep adding ingredients. We are going to add the coconut sugar or cane sugar as you like, the baking soda, the pinch of salt. Then we are going to add the wet ingredients, the maple syrup, and if you want, you can switch maple syrup with molasses for a more healthy and caramelized flavor. On top of that, we're going to add the coconut oil, the vanilla extract, and the hemp seeds. We're going to combine and mix everything together. Line a baking sheet with some parchment paper and transfer the mix on the parchment paper. Level very well the oat mix with a spoon and press to compact as much as possible. The more compact your mix will be, the less friable the final oats will be. So you want to remove all the air in between the small pieces. Bake in preheated oven to 350 degrees for 30-35 minutes, up until nice and golden on top. Remove from the oven and place another parchment paper foil on top and press again with a flat surface. Let it cool down 15 minutes and cut in as many bars and as big or small as you like. That's the other great thing about homemade energy bars, that you can shape and size them following your kids' taste and needs. Storage. I usually place my bars one next to another in an airtight container and I keep them in the refrigerator simply because here in Los Angeles it's kind of warm outside and I don't want them to melt. I want the bars to stay nice, compact and firm. Also, you can keep them in the refrigerator for up to 1 month, 1 month and a half. I really hope your toddlers and kids are going to enjoy this recipe. This is a super breakfast, lunchbox, snack, after school snack idea, healthy and easy to prepare. If you want to leave me comments or if you're looking for similar recipes, check the links in the area here below. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every single week a new recipe from me. See you next week. Ciao, ciao, ciao.